If your mornings feel rushed, chaotic, or exhausting before the day even starts, you're not alone. The truth is, how you start your morning sets the tone for your entire day. And for busy professionals, a few strategic changes can mean the difference between dragging through your tasks or crushing your to-do list with focus and energy. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple 6-step morning routine that's backed by science. It takes less than 30 minutes and can completely change your productivity, focus, and even mood throughout the day. And no, it doesn't involve waking up at 4:30 a.m. or meditating for an hour. I promise this is a practical guide for real people with real schedules. Let's dive in. Step 1. Hydrate before anything else. Before you touch your phone, before you check emails, before coffee, you need to hydrate. Overnight, your body becomes dehydrated. Losing water through breathing and sweat, even mild dehydration can impact brain performance, energy levels, and blood flow. As soon as you wake up, drink 16 to 20 ounces of water. If you want to take it a step further, add a pinch of pink salt or an electrolyte tab to help your cells absorb the water faster. Personally, I use a smart water bottle that tracks how much I drink, keeps me accountable, and makes a huge difference in my morning energy. I've linked the one I use in the description if you want to try it. Step 2. Light exposure within 30 minutes of waking. Your brain runs on light. Natural sunlight signals your internal clock that it's time to be alert. It boosts serotonin, improves your mood, and helps regulate your sleep cycle. The problem is, most of us stay indoors and look at artificial light, which confuses our body. So try this. Go outside for 5 minutes. Stand on your balcony, walk your dog, drink your coffee by a window. Just get sunlight on your eyes and skin early in the day. If that's not possible, use a daylight therapy lamp, especially during winter. It's a small change that has a big effect on energy and mental clarity. Step 3. Movement. Even just 5 minutes. You don't need to do a full workout to wake up your system. A short burst of physical activity boosts blood flow to your brain, reduces cortisol, and increases dopamine, the motivation chemical. And no, you don't have to go for a run. You can stretch, do bodyweight squats, jumping jacks, or follow a short 5-minute mobility video. Personally, I keep a TRX trainer in my office and do a quick circuit to activate my core and shoulders. It wakes me up better than caffeine. I'll link the exact one I use below. Super easy to install and great for small spaces. Step 4. Protein-rich breakfast. If you're someone who skips breakfast or grabs something sweet and carb-heavy, you're setting yourself up for a crash. Your body needs protein in the morning to stabilize blood sugar, control appetite, and fuel your brain. A solid breakfast could be eggs and avocado, Greek yogurt with chia seeds, or a smoothie with whey or collagen protein. This dose and tea have to take long. I prep my smoothie ingredients the night before and just blend in the morning. If you want my favorite smoothie stack, it's in the description below. Mental priming. This is where most morning routines go to woo-woo, but I keep it simple. Write down your top 3 goals for the day. Nothing more, just 3 things that matter most. It trains your brain to focus, reduces overwhelm, and gives you a clear target for the day. You can write it on paper, whiteboard, or use a digital app. What matters is that you make it a habit. 5 minutes of mental clarity in the morning saves you hours of mental chaos later. And finally, step 6. Strategic caffeine. Yes, I'm still a fan of coffee, but here's the trick. Delay it 60 to 90 minutes after waking. This gives your natural cortisol rhythm time to rise on its own, which helps avoid an early afternoon crash. When you do drink it, pair it with L-theanine for smoother energy, less jitteriness, and better focus. I personally use Java Burn mixed into my coffee. It contains green tea extract and a few other ingredients that help extend my mental clarity. I've linked that too in the description. Let's recap. Hydrate first. Get sunlight. Move your body. Eat real protein. Prime your mind. Use caffeine wisely. This isn't a complicated routine, but when you put these 6 steps together, the compounding effects are massive. You'll think clearer, work faster, and feel more in control of your day. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. It helps the algorithm know that this video is worth sharing. And if you want more energy and wellness hacks like this, subscribe and turn on notifications. And remember, all the tools and supplements I mentioned are linked in the description, along with a few bonus ones I use personally. Check them out. They've made a huge difference in my morning flow, and I think they'll do the same for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.